This next set of exercises are going to be helping you with external rotation of the hip. If you feel any pain or discomfort during this exercise, please stop. First, I'd like you to start by doing the hip cars video in the description below. And then next we're going to go back into that 90-90 position. So this is the 90-90 position. Make sure that you have 90 degrees at the knee and 90 degrees at the ankle on both legs. First, you're going to get into a stretch for external rotation. So you can go as low as you possibly can and just search for where you feel the most stretch. So it could be over here or it could be a little bit more over here. And then hold that for about 30 seconds. Do this both sides. For video's sake, I'll just be showing you the one side. Next, what I'd like you to do is I'd just like you to prepare the hip for that external rotation. So what is going to happen is your knee is going to come up and your ankle and hip are going to try and stay towards the ground. Okay? So it's just going to look something like so. If you don't get as high, that's fine. If you only get to here, as long as you start to feel that contraction within your glute. And again, this is just warming up the hip. Perfect. Next, what we're going to do is a passive range hold of the front leg. Now, to do this efficiently, you can do it in two ways. I lack external rotation of the hip, so for me, it's a little bit easier if I lean to the side so that I can get that external rotation in that hip. If you're flexible, you can do it up like so, but for the video, I'll be doing it like this. So you're going to lean towards your side and lift up with your foot. Again, as you can see, I don't have much range of motion here, but some people can get their foot up like so. So lift up as high as you can, and before you let go, start to engage all the tissue in through your inner thigh here and through your glutes. Okay? And then you're just going to hold that for about 8 to 10 seconds. That's the idea. Again, if you don't have the 8 to 10 seconds, work your way up. You might start at 2 seconds, you might start at 6 seconds, and then just work your way up to that 10 to 12 second mark. Okay? The next one will be a passive range lift off of external rotation of the front leg. The way that you can do that is, again, push your foot into the ground as hard as you can, working up, and then lift off as hard as you can. And again, if you can get a yoga block or a textbook or whatever you have at home under it, and then push into it again, and then lift off, even better. Perfect. If you have any questions about the exercises, please let me know. Thanks for watching.